Ambisonics is a system for capturing or representing a spherical sound field using regular audio channels. It's the audio format commonly used for Facebook 360 and YouTube 360 videos and VR headsets like Oculus Rift and Gear VR. It's also very useful for manipulating audio when mixing for any immersive or binaural delivery format. In this video, we'll look at the tools and plugins inside Pro Tools Ultimate for working with Ambisonics and VR. In Pro Tools, you can use Ambisonics tracks and buses of first, second, or third order. On this track, we have a first order Ambisonics recording captured with a Sennheiser Ambisonic. Pro Tools Ultimate includes the Facebook Audio 360 suite of plugins. This includes the Spatializer plugin, which is used to position your audio tracks in the Ambisonics sound field. On our mix track, we have the 360 control plugin. This takes the Ambisonics mix and converts it into a binaural headphone feed. It also synchronizes with the Facebook video player and captures the video viewing angle so the audio mix can be rotated to stay in sync. And finally, we have the 360 meter, which measures the loudness of your Ambisonics mix.